Hey guys, it's Jason, and welcome to another episode of On the Job. So, today, hopefully, will be a day mostly of my shop fixing my truck. Because they didn't fix it last night, and they have like a couple of things that I need to use to work to fix on my truck, but they don't want to do it. But anyway, yeah, hopefully they fix my truck today because it'd be really nice, and hopefully we get some decent yardage while we're at it too. That'd be also nice. But anyway, yeah, that's about it. It's just your average Thursday, so let's get started. Alrighty, we're on the roll and ready to go. Yeah, shouldn't be too bad for weather today though. Weather report looks like it's clear, sunny, and shouldn't have a problem with rain today. And yeah, it seems like it's gonna be a good day. Like I said before, I hope my truck gets fixed though. That way I don't have the same problem that I had yesterday, but we'll see. Alrighty, we're getting to the job. Once again, it's a pump job, but there we got our boy Pro Pump once again. But yeah, it's 4.5 yards, so it shouldn't take me too long, but yeah. I'll wrap it up when it's all done. Alrighty, 5.5 yards done and done. Super easy, super quick, just like it always is with Kobe. He's just really good at it. Makes it easy and simple. Doesn't make it complicated or anything. No, it's just anyway. But yeah, so it's 4.5 yards, not 5 yards. 4.5 yards. Okay. But yeah, super easy, super quick, and yeah, on to the next one. All right, 9 yards. Just got here. And we're gonna go ahead and get started. That'll do it for that job. 9 yards. done and done. Got the port and everything. A mishap happened, obviously. Where I probably showed a little bit of it, but yeah, when I was driving back off the driveway, I cracked the corner of it, and like I was just texting somebody, they're like, "Oh goodness, how did that happen?" I'm like, "Well, when your truck weighs 60,000 pounds and you have to drive over a little portion of the driveway, just like a tiny little, like some odd, maybe like a 2x2 foot section, something like that. You know, it happens. But anyway, 9 yards, done and done, and we're on to the next one. Okay. Just like yesterday, at the very end of the day, or what's most likely going to be the end of my day, they decided to give me FlowFill yet again. So, obviously, not going to record it. Hey, look, there's another good driver, or another good pump guy. But yeah, not going to record it, not going to nothing, just going to wrap it up when I'm all done. Alrighty, we're all done here. Didn't take too long, actually. It took about 2 hours, which is pretty quick. So it's it wasn't too bad. But yeah, it's FlowFill though, so it's not the best in the world. It could be something else that I could actually film, and ironically enough, like a lot of people have been asking me, like, "Oh, you got a dash cam, or they're making you do dash cams now and whatnot." And I'm like, "No, this is the thing for me." They're like, "Oh, okay." And like every time, like especially on these jobs or pump jobs or whatever, they ask me like, "Are you live? Are you recording?" I'm like, "No." I'm like, "I don't record these jobs because it's not visually interesting to look at." Anyway, it is toasty in the cab. Like I was saying like a couple of days ago about Utah weather, Utah weather is insane. So like just yesterday, raining and like, you know, super cold, or it wasn't super cold, it was like 40s though. It was like 40 degrees and raining and crap. And now we're here and it's like, it's literally the next day and it's like 70. But anyway, that job done and done though. I don't know if I'm gonna get another one. I might, but I have a feeling that I'm not. So you may see me wrapping up. You may see me on another job or whatever. If I do get another dumb job, I'm not even gonna I'm like, "Hey, I got it here." I'm just gonna wrap it up. That's all I'm gonna do. So anyway, yeah, on to the next one, or hopefully going home. Alrighty, guys, that wraps up the day for today. It's a pretty good day. Let's see, we did 4.5, a 9, and a 7, which makes it 20.5, which is pretty good. It's not awful, but it's not, you know, awesome. So it's you know, it's whatever. But yeah, that's not too bad. But yeah, tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow is a little bit better. They still haven't fixed my truck, just for those of you who are wondering. They have not fixed it, and they don't plan on, it doesn't seem like they plan on fixing it anytime soon, which is great, because there's a couple of different things wrong with my truck that need to be addressed, but they don't want to for some reason, which is always fun. But yeah, it is a good day today. So is the wrong number? Okay. But anyways, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and watching. I appreciate all of that, and I'll see you on the next job.